How do you introduce someone who is a global Indian icon and a household name?
82 East is now exclusively available on Tira. What is my life or what is my career beyond the movies, right? How does one leave behind a legacy? How does one leave behind things that you have learned? I've always believed in less is more. I think start small, start simple. Not just start, but continue and maintain. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this live. It was surreal when I walked in today and to see 82 East among some of the most prestigious skincare and beauty brands. The fact that we can make it accessible to a lot more people, I think, is what makes it really special.